It is my honor to welcome you guys to Georgia First Gen's 7th annual First Gen Summit. The goals of the Georgia First Gen Summit are to energize students on the steps to take to find that career or college pathway, and to inspire them to be community leaders.
And each one of us is the hero in our own story.
I'm a first gen student, so this kind of event is really important to get insight and from others who are also first gen. Being here at the Georgia Gwinnett College is really exciting since this is my first time touring a college and really just being in a college overall.
At first I wasn't sure if I wanted to wake up early to come here. Now that I am here, I think it's really worth it.
I feel very motivated and I'm going to start applying to college.
And at Georgia First Gen, we believe that being the first doesn't mean you're alone, but being the first also means that you matter.
The summit does such a great job of showing students that access without community is just another form of isolation. And to not feel isolated means you can find that camaraderie, and that's what Georgia First Gen is all about.
I was able to experience the opportunity to connect with the different people who have wonderful experiences in their careers. We got to learn a lot from them, and I feel like my connections have been stronger.
I would definitely recommend this summit to others. It could give other students who participate in this event a lot more knowledge and more opportunities.
As a first gen, I felt so connected. Not only do I feel more confident in myself, there was a lot that made me feel so seen.
The summit just gives everyone the chance to say, this is how I can be the next generation now.
I love this school. It's my first time being here, and I'll for sure be considering applying to it.